bone which you have implanted, and your joints has gone, so that you will not get good results. So one thing, it should be supplemented if possible by the autologous, as well as to fill the gap. These So we should not depend that we will put only these type of allogenic there, and we just forget. You will not be very successful if you. So this precaution I want to tell everybody, that don't go with the idea that this is a boon for everyone, and no need of now taking out the bone graft from the patient himself or herself. So with this, I'm really today I'm very excited. I know many institutes are struggling with opening of bone bank. When I think he was my student, and we were trying to open a bone bank in our institution, that is at Lucknow. We were not able to do it, so I made it a point now. This is the high time now. I'm at the center, so I can take all because वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारी परमिशन लेनी पड़ती थी जो नहीं मिलती थी. अभी तो I can push anywhere. तो वो शुरू हो रहा है. I am thankful for रेहान as well as for सौरभ कि आपने इस छोटी सी बात को सीरियसली लिया और इसको आपने आगे बढ़ाया. अभी आपको जो परमिशन मिलनी है, that permission would be there. I will help you in getting the permission, early permission, but the time which is lagging is not really lagging, because you need some time period. Before that, only then after that you can use it. So I am very happy that department is increasing its ramification, and this department is really doing good works. But always there is a scope of more improvement, and I hope I will be very happy, Dr. Rehan, when your department will be known for its activity at national level. So you have to work very hard. Your faculty member, your students needs more recognition at national level. I don't know how many gone to Bengaluru this time.
5 मैं गया था सर, और
नहीं आप छोड़िए ना, और
2 रेजिडेंट्स
रेजिडेंट्स 2 और so this is something which you have to push.
right.
Your faculty needs to go there. They have to register their name there. They should know that you are doing a good job.
Right.
So it is not only the MP chapter, but it is at national level, at I don't know, central level. So central zone, whether you comes in central zone.
Yes, we come in
So central zone and national zone you have to be. So उस पे थोड़ा काम करना शुरू करिए. अभी उस पे आप लैग कर रहे हैं. Recognition of you are very good orthoplasty surgeon. People are very good scopy person.